The man and the woman are standing close to each other near a counter. The man closes his eyes and pouts his lips, getting ready to kiss the woman. Suddenly, the woman sneezes directly onto the man's face. The man reacts in shock and quickly covers his face with both hands, looking extremely surprised. Both the man and the woman start coughing due to the sneeze. The woman looks confused and waves her hands, gesturing as if something unexpected just happened. The scene shifts to the bathroom. The man is looking at his face in the mirror and is shocked to see that his face, eyes, and lips have become severely swollen and red. The man reaches behind his back, where a white, blank face mask is attached to his pants, and takes it off. The man walks back to the living area. The woman is sitting near the counter, holding a glass with a blue drink. Her eyes suddenly turn bright neon blue in surprise. The man places the white face mask over his real face to hide the swelling.